How you doing, guys? Welcome back. So here's just a little bit talking about how to get the main sounds of the djembe. Essentially, when we talk about accompaniments, there's three main sounds, but as we develop, there's later different ways of playing tones, different forms of slaps. But we'll just go through the three main sounds of the drum. Okay, so um, first of all, like I said in the last time, we want to have this is our playing surface here, big pizza pie, and it's very important to get our hands away from the drum in as much as possible. So you know what I mean. When we do some exercises for doing the sound, we do kind of nice repetitive exercises. Again, it's important to focus on getting your hands away from the drum. This will help develop your weak hand, and it'll help you um, with stamina later on and various other things. Okay, but anyway, the main sounds. So obviously the bass drum. Obviously, we want to have it tilted there. We're just getting this nice dead sound, slightly off center. Can play it there. Every time djembes aren't made like mass production like guitars and stuff. So every drum can have its own unique kind of thing. So generally spend a bit of time playing a new drum, trying to find the sound. So that's pretty much where the sweet spot is for the bass. So we can spend a lot of time just finding the sound of our drum there in the space. Okay, so that's our bass sound. Then when we're moving on to talking about the two sounds on the side of the drum, this is where people often have difficulties. So essentially, there's two sounds on the side of the drum, and there's different ways of playing it. One is the tone, where we're looking for a nice woody sound. Yeah, again, this will depend on the type of drum you have, the type of skin. If you've got like a calf skin or something like this, you'll have a woodier sound. And the slap is a higher kind of sound. Again, it's a new drum for me, so it takes a little time, to anytime you play a new drum, just spend a minute or two just finding out where it is. It can be in a slightly different place. So I saw some good exercise and a good idea to help explain how to get the tone and the slap. So the tone is essentially we get it. I play djembe to here. This is my surface. This is where I'm going to hit the rim of the wood, slightly, just about there. And to get the tone, we want to have a nice flat surface. Thumb's always out of the way. Our finger are together, and we're going to land flat on the drum and doing it, and that's what produces that kind of the tone is to have that the fingers are landing pretty much kind of simultaneously from there, that the underneath the knuckles to the tips are landing pretty much flat, and that just again takes a bit of time to get to know that. Good exercise I saw there was just to do this. If we practice on our hand there, we'll make our weaker hand nice and flat. We can try it the other way around afterwards. We're looking for that flat sound. It's all landing flat, I'm going to try that on the drum. Okay, so in comparative speaking then, the slap is will then have lots of relaxation there. Compared to slap is like a crash test dummy. You see it coming in, and then as it comes in, the fingers fold in and hit the drum. So it's a whiplash effect. So compared to the slap, our tone. So what's happening there is, this is obviously very exaggerated. We would never come in at this angle. As we come in with the hand there, just underneath the knuckles is hitting first. Because our fingers are nice and relaxed, they keep going and hit. So it's there, it's our, like I said, it's underneath the knuckles that are going to hit first, but it's the fingertips coming down afterwards that are going to make that slap high sound. So the slap is a higher sound. Okay, good. Little demonstration of messing around with the different sounds there. Cool. I'll show you some in the next video, some little exercises on how to develop your tones and slaps. Okay, cool. And your bass, of course. Cheers. Bye.